Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. Court is in session in cause number 332036. Case is style. Case is style of State of Texas versus Roderick Wise Warren. Mr. Warren, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Warren?
Great.
You great? That's good. Mr. Warren, you're represented in your case by Attorney Alan Jayama. Mr. Attorney Jayama is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Jayama, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge.
That's good. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm blessed, thank you.
Mr. Jayama, what is your announcement in Mr. Warren's case? Do we have
Judge, I'm just finding out that Lamar Johnson is the ADA on this case. Last person I remember was on this case was Tommy Coleman. I can go ahead and communicate with Mr. Johnson on a different offer on this case.
Okay. Let me do this here. Now, Mr. Warren, were you given bond conditions in this case?
I don't think so.
Okay. Give me the bond conditions. This is let me ask you serious. Is this your first time appearing in this court?
No, sir.
You appeared in here before?
Yes, sir. Every other time it's like this set up.
Okay, now let me do this here. When I ask if you've given bond conditions, the bond conditions. You doesn't? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you some bond conditions. Just hold on a minute. Okay. There's March 15th. Could you hand this to me? I'm going to go over these bond conditions with you. Mr. Warren, the document has just been handed to you by the bailiff. It's titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2. Do you see that title?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it reads, following return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when they're directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 4 does not apply because that only applies in a driving while intoxicated case. In your case, is not a driving while intoxicated case. Now, if you violate any one of these conditions of this bond, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail upon arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now your case is going to be reset. We're going to, now, Mr. Jayama, how much time do you need?
Judge, my client does have another case in the felony court. It's set for a hearing on June 2nd. And for judicial efficiency, we asked this court to set it on the same day.
Same date? Okay. Okay, Mr. Warren, your case will be reset to June 2nd of 2023 on the same date that your felony case is set. Now, on that date, June 2nd of 2023, what you would need to do, you will, at 9 o'clock, I'm sure both cases may start at the same time. But if they start at the same time, come and check in at this court first with the bailiff. Let him know that you're here, so he'll check you out. He'll put a present mark by your name. And then you go to the other court, and once you finish in that court, you're gonna come back here to let us know what happened in the felony court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, your case is going, let me ask you, will we be able to reset him today?
Go in the office and do it.
Okay, yeah, so just have a seat in the gallery. Our court coordinator is going to reset your case. And once she gives you your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And just have a seat in the gallery. And Mr. Jayama, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
All right, thank you.